Under the blazing sun, Babylon Square teems with life as a colossal golden statue of King Nebuchadnezzar glitters. Royal heralds stride forward, their voices booming. When the music plays, all must bow before the statue. Disobedience means death. Fear sweeps through the crowd, forcing most to their knees before the idol. Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego stand tall, their silent defiance echoing louder than any decree. King Nebuchadnezzar, a storm of rage on his face, sits on his imposing throne, his eyes burning into the three figures below. Is it true you refuse to worship my statue? What god can save you from my hand? Nebuchadnezzar's voice booms through the throne room. Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego stand firm, their faces resolute as they reply in unison, unwavering in their faith. O King, we do not need to defend ourselves. The God we serve is able to save us, they declare, their voices echoing with conviction. But even if he does not, we will not bow to your statue, they finish, sealing their fate as Nebuchadnezzar's fury intensifies. The furnace roars, spewing monstrous flames that scorch the sky. Heat shimmers as the soldiers struggle, sweat plastering their faces. Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego, bound and helpless, are thrust toward the fiery abyss by the relentless soldiers. Flames lash out, consuming the soldiers. Their screams are lost in the furnace's deafening roar. Against the blazing inferno, Nebuchadnezzar watches, his face a mask of cruel satisfaction and absolute power. Nebuchadnezzar's eyes widen. Did we not throw 3 men into the fire? Look, I see 4 men walking in the flames, unharmed, and the 4th looks like a son of God.